In this video, we are going to learn how we can delete the data inside of our database or inside of our table. How we can make it? Let's see. MySQL -h localhost. I know that you understand this. Root -b. Enter, use my database. Now let's see what we have inside of our table. Select all the things from my table, customer table. Look, I want to delete this SpongeBob. How can I make it? Just an easy. The first thing you have to write delete keyword. After that you have to write your table name, customer. And now let's add our condition. Which data should be deleted? Where customer ID equal to 4. Okay, now let's see. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write here from. And now let's see. It's okay. Now let's see our table. Select all the things from my customer table. Now we don't have a SpongeBob anymore. What if we delete John? Let's delete it. You can delete it like this. Delete keyword from your table name. My table name was customer. And after that you can write your condition, because you have to specify which data should be deleted inside this table. Where customer name, I want to change this condition now into customer name. Okay, customer name equal to I want to delete John. Okay, now let's see. It's deleted. Let's see. Select all the things from my customer table. Look, we don't have John anymore.